Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! Can you guess what we're going to draw and color today? Here are some clues. It's a super cute blue alien, he loves to eat ice cream, he has big floppy ears, and he's best friends with a sweet little girl who loves to hula dance. Did you figure it out? That's right, it's Lilo and Stitch. We're going to bring these two amazing friends to life with our coloring tools. First, let's look at our picture. We have Stitch with his round eyes, big ears, and funny little nose. He's full of energy and always ready for adventure. Next to him is Lilo, smiling so brightly with her lovely long hair and her Hawaiian dress. When you color, you can decide if you want to use the classic blue for Stitch, or maybe try something wild like green or purple. And Lilo's dress is usually red with white leaves, but you can make it pink, yellow, or even rainbow. This is your masterpiece, so you can use any colors you love. Did you know that Stitch's real name is Experiment 626?
Black.
He was created in a lab to be mischievous and cause trouble, but when he landed on Earth, he found something even better: family. In Hawaiian, the word for family is ohana, and ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. That's such a wonderful message, don't you think? As you keep coloring, imagine where Lilo and Stitch are going. Maybe they're heading to the beach to surf the waves. Or maybe they're about to have a picnic under the palm trees. You could draw the ocean in the background, a bright sun in the sky, or even some stars if you want to show Stitch flying in his spaceship. Remember, your imagination makes your artwork special. Oh, and if you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share, subscribe, etc. That way, you'll never miss a new coloring adventure with us. Here's another fun fact. Lilo loves to take pictures of interesting things, especially people who look a little unusual. She even has a whole photo album full of funny photos. You could draw a camera in her hand, or even a little photo floating in the air. And did you know that Stitch is super strong? He can lift things many times his own size, and he can even think faster than a computer. That makes him really smart and powerful, but he always chooses to use his strength to protect Lilo. As you color in the details, don't forget to add some fun touches. Maybe Stitch has sparkly ears, or Lilo's dress has patterns of your favorite shapes. You could even draw some flowers around them, like hibiscus, which is the state flower of Hawaii. Have you ever seen a hibiscus flower? They're usually pink, red, or yellow, but in your drawing, they can be any color you like. Now, think about this. If you had a little alien friend like Stitch, what adventures would you go on together? Would you fly to the moon, build a rocket, or maybe just eat lots of delicious food? You can even draw that in your picture if you want to make it extra creative. Another cool fact is that the voice of Stitch was actually done by the movie's director, Chris Sanders. Isn't that awesome? He wanted to make sure Stitch sounded extra silly and unique. You can even practice making funny Stitch sounds while you're coloring. Can you do his little growl or laugh? As we finish coloring, take a look at your masterpiece. Lilo and Stitch look so happy together, and your colors make them shine. Whether you kept them their classic colors or gave them a brand new style, you did an amazing job. Thanks so much for coloring with me today. I hope you had fun learning cool facts about Lilo and Stitch while making your own beautiful art. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, come back again and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next fun adventure. I can't wait to see you next time, little artists.
Coloring coloriendo.